Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see I am going to show you how to enable or disable tablet mode on Windows 10. So it is very simple to do it. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search start button and go to settings. Go to system. Go to tablet here left side. Here so if you are having a notebook or two and one and you are transiting between a notebook and state format, you might to have the option to use it as a tablet mode, which offer a slightly different layout to Windows. So it's just an example. Turn this on right now. I don't have option to turn it on. Oh, here is change additional tablet setting. Go here and turn it on. The full display is full like a tablet. So Windows also has able to automatically switch to tablet mode when you are using your device as a tablet. So the default option, I'm just offing the tablet mode and go back. The default option, you the appear mode for my hardware. When I use this device as a tablet, don't switch to tablet mode. Ask me if you, before switching mode. Click on this. This is very useful, I think. Always switch to tablet mode. This is the always be tablet mode in. This is the better option you have to. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Give me a like. Give me a like, guys. Please. Thank you.